So I was out on a sunny Saturday, taking some shots of a newly refurbished church. Shit, it looks broken. Alright, so the first golden rule when you're flying a drone is always look up before you take off and make sure it's clear. I didn't do that, and I flew this little guy right into a tree, and I've broken him. I've smashed the front lens. Take a look. So here's the lens now. You can see where it's cracked right along the bottom. When I record video now, it just comes out all fuzzy. Alright, so I went on the internet to see if I could try and fix this thing. Now the only replacement part I could find from Parrot was the camera, and they were charging £150. Now for £150 part for a drone that only costs about £250, I'd probably just replace the drone. But I got to thinking, it's just the lens on this thing that's actually damaged. If I could find a replacement lens, I could repair this for cheap. So it has a similar sized lens to the Parrot Bebop and doesn't cost $150. A door viewer. Now I picked up one of these for £3 in the hardware store, and the lens seems like a very similar size to the Bebop. So I'm going to chop this lens out, we're going to fit it to the drone, and we're going to see if the drone still works. I don't know if this is going to work out, but it sure is going to be fun to try. Alright, so we have a look at this lens, we can see the fisheye is totally encased in metal, and we're going to have to cut this thing out. Alright, so the only way I can see to get this fisheye lens out of this door viewer is to cut it out. For that, we're going to use a diamond cutting tool, which means there's going to be sparks everywhere. This jumper is highly flammable, so we're going to put on some minimal safety gear. So let's start off by disassembling the Bebop. Alright, now we've opened up the drone, time to extract the fisheye from the door spy. So next we're going to use a diamond cutter, cut this little lens out of the spy hole. Being a man, I love power tools, even if they're teeny tiny ones. Alright, now all I gotta do is reassemble this thing, turn it back on, and let's see if it works. So I've put the drone back together and it looks pretty good. We've successfully transferred the fisheye lens from the door spy hole onto our drone. The only thing I'd say, guys, with the diamond cutter you want to be careful around the edges. I've made a few marks. I don't think it's going to affect things. The only thing we've got left to do is to take this little guy out for a test flight and check the video. So for the test flight, we're going to head down to the park where I'm going to teach my buddy Femi how to fly the drone.